In this lesson, we're talking about your child communicating their needs. So, when your child gets to school, they are not going to have you there to translate, to get them what they want or need, or speak for them. So, what I'm going to ask you to do now is to encourage your child to ask for what they need. And I'm going to ask some of you to not jump in because you already know what they need. If you are anticipating what your child needs and you are doing it for them or getting it for them before they really have a chance to communicate what they need, then they're not practicing this skill. So, I'm speaking to you about having your child communicate their needs, but I'm also speaking to parents about taking a step back and not anticipating what they need, but allowing them to express what they need. Now, you may find that you already know what they need and they've already asked you for what they need, but the practicing is what is key here, because even though it might feel like over practicing, something that is mastered in one environment is much easier to translate to another environment. So encourage your child to ask for what they need. So, how does your child communicate what they need? Do they cry? Do they point? Do they take you by the arm and take you to what they need? Do they use one word or one sound? Do they use a couple words? Or do they speak in sentences? If they are not necessarily able to articulate exactly what it is that they need, this is such a good opportunity to offer them choice. So if you're not sure whether they want the car or the truck, you could have one in each hand and ask, do you want the car or the truck? And then they can choose or point. Or if you don't have the objects, you could use the pictures. This is such a great opportunity to start using some pictures and getting pictures into how they communicate with things. Do you want the apple or do you want the orange? And pictures of things and have them point. Practice showing choice. Practice having your child communicate what they need. And even if it feels like you know what they want and they don't need to tell you what they need because you already know, they need to practice because you won't be there in the classroom when they have to actually articulate in however way they do it what they need to someone who doesn't yet know how to read the signs. Okay? So practice, encourage communicating what they need so they can independently ask for what they need. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next one.